Hello GED students, this is lesson 55-56 where you're going to be simplifying expressions or adding, subtracting the expressions to simplify them. So 55 and 56 go together. I would suggest looking at lesson 57 also before doing this one because those skills come in handy as well. But here, what you're doing is you're adding like expressions. You're taking expressions that are the same and then adding them together. Just like here you got 5 times the number n plus 9 times the number n. These two expressions, 5n and 9n, well, we can add those together so we don't have two separate things. They're both the same. So here if I go 5n plus 9n, well, that'll be 14 n's I would have. Okay, so that's simpler to deal with than messing with these two. Okay, or just like this one, number 3. I have 7 x's minus, well, that'll be a 1x. So these I can put together. If I go 7x minus 1, the x's, well, now I'm down to 6x. Okay, I have 6 x's. So you're taking the like terms and adding them together. Just like here, I got 3p and 6p, but this is negative 3p plus 6p's. So negative 3 plus 6, that'll be negative 3p. So I'm just taking these two and putting them together. Number 2, though, it's a little different because here I got b, 1b, minus 3 plus 6 minus 2b. So this doesn't have a b in front of it, so I can't add this negative 3 to this b. But I got 1b and I got negative 2b. So I can do those two. It'll be like b minus 2b. So I end up with a negative b. That would be like this part. These two would be b minus 2b. But then I got this here. I got negative 3 plus 6. So if I go negative 3 plus 6, that would be a positive 3. So the answer of this one would be negative b plus a 3. That would be the answer. Okay? So here, number 4, doing the like terms, I got 7p minus 10p. So here's 7 minus 10. I can add these together, or here we subtract them. If I have 7, I subtract 10, I end up with just a negative 3p. Okay, so that's how the rest of these are. I can go down the line here, negative 10v plus 6v, and again you can pause and try them and then check them on your own. But here 10v plus 6v, so 10 minus 6, that would be a negative 4v. Here I can add the like terms, negative 9r plus 10r. So negative 9 plus 10r, so that would just give me 1r left, or just r. That will be the answer there. So here number 7, I got 9 plus 5r minus 9r. So these two I can put together. They're like terms. I got 5r minus 9r. But here, that one I'm just going to leave after I do this part. So if I got 5r minus 9r, that would be negative 4r. But then I got the plus 9. Okay, so I have to leave it that way. So this will be the answer. Or it could also be written this one, 9 minus 4r. They're the same thing. Here, like terms, I got 1 minus 3v plus 10. Well, the 3v, the negative 3v here, the sign, remember, the sign in front goes with it. So that's the only one. I can't combine that with anything. And then I got 1 plus 10. That would be 11, so it'll be plus 11. Okay? So the rest of these, I'll go through to number 14, 15. I'll go to 15 because there it changes a little bit. So here, again, I'm going to do them a little quickly because you can pause it if it goes too fast, or you can pause it and do the problems. But here I got the 4b by itself plus 6 minus 4. So the 4b, and then I can add these two terms, 6 minus 4, or subtract, which would be 2, yeah, plus 2. Here I got 35n's minus 1 plus 46. So there's only one 35n here. I can't combine that with anything, so I just put 35n's. So I got negative 1 plus 46, so that ended up being a positive 45. Put those two together. Then here I got negative 33v minus 49v, so I can combine those. So if I go negative 33 minus 4 minus, yeah, I got negative 33v minus 49v, that would be negative 82v. That would be the answer. Okay. And then the last three here, before now I'll stop the video and do a separate one starting with 16. You got 30n plus 8, so 30n plus 8n, that'll be 38n's. That would be the answer. And then here I got 7x's plus 31x's. So if I have 7x's and I add 31 more x's, I end up with 38x's. Okay, and then 15, I got 10x plus 36x or 36 minus 38x minus 47. So here I can put my x terms together. I got 10x minus 38x. So those two would be 10 minus 38, that would be negative 28x's. And then I got this, positive 36 and minus 47. So that'll be 36 minus 47 will be negative 11. That'll be that answer. Okay? So here, number 16, you need to know the skill from, they show you in lesson 55 on the bottom of the page of 525 in the book. But also lesson 27 shows you how to do this next step. I'm going to do the separate video starting with this one. And all right, I'm going to stop.